Hello everyone. As in the last two videos, I've shown math practice that we did and English practice that we did for a 4-year-old kid. And right now in this video, I'm going to show all the activity books related to brain boosting, IQ related activities that we did from 3 years till 4 years. So these are the books. I'm going to give a detailed explanation showing you what are the activities inside each book. So stay tuned till end. The first book is Bumper Book of Activities. I got this book from one of those book exhibition that was conducted at Sarvam School. They say that it is by Yash Books and number is given over here and rate is given. If you want, you can take a screenshot. After scanning this, I got a link of the Spider Books website. So I'll add this in my description box for you to check the link. Okay, so I'm going to show what all activities are covered in this book. This is a brilliant book for you to engage your child and practice lot of different concepts. So there are a lot of matching activities. I'm not gonna tell you each activity, but yes, you can just have a look. Match animal to its food. Which community helper is this? Join the jams with their fruit. Different brain related, very logical, lot of logical reasoning activities are there over here. What is missing over here? Match animals to its home. A lot of concepts are covered over here. Animal, their home, fruits, vegetables. Match key to open the door. Which key, which shape will help it to match open the door? Which pattern is relevant for this animal? Lot of pages are there, so it's not possible for me to explain each activity that is covered in this book. Even we have not done lot. Like this says crossword, so now our child who is 4-year-old or a 3-year-old doesn't know that banana, spelling of banana. So we'll come back to this. See, age is not written over here, but we'll come back to this when we are ready to solve this. Okay, so it's okay that some of the activities are not suitable for 3 years, 4 years, but you can again come back whenever they are ready and finish the activity. Whatever you can, like match the related object. So lemon is matched to lemon juice. Likewise, pencil is matched to sharpener. Likewise, then shadow matching. Then which is the same identical image. Draw the same image. Maze. Solving these mazes kind of a activity form as a brain booster for children, because really a lot of concentration is required to solve that. Then yeah, a lot of good activities are covered over here, like Sudoku. Then join the dots and color it. We have not colored, so they have answers over here. You can see these are the answers of A series till A series it is finished over here, and all the answers over here. Then they start B series, B. Okay, likewise they go till C, D. So as you move ahead, lot of tricky concepts also comes. See, find the answer and write the correct letter of each picture. We can do this. We have not done till now, but we can do this. Certain things are left for us to solve, so because they are tricky, so we have skipped that. But as you can see, this is a good visual discrimination. Over here they have asked that how many 7s do you see. See, to find 7 in Z's, it is tricky. Okay, so count 1, 2, 3 likewise. Then this maze is also very tricky. Match to the correct piece. Identical object by drawing a line, then join the dots and color it. Match the animal to its tail key. So I really like this book, and whenever I have put Instagram story solving this book, many people have asked me the link, and I have tried to put the link. So today also in this description box I'm going to put links, so do check it out. This is really a very nice book. A lot of brain related activities are covered in this book, and answers are also given. So yes, do try this book. So the next book is 101 brain boosting activity book, which says for 3+. Okay, and it's by Navneet. As you can see, it is by Navneet. I'm going to show it is for 150 rupees. It is available on Amazon, so I'm going to put the link so you can check it out. It has a lot of easy activities, and for 3 years it is much more relevant. Just normal matching, math related or mazes related. Then we can solve this now, but at 3 years it was not possible for us to draw this. Child doesn't know drawing at 3 years that much. Then it says coloring. This we have done at 3 years. We can complete now. Color it, match, draw the same shapes and color them. find the hidden pictures and circle them. So what all you can see here, you can see socks over here, you can see a dress over here, dungaree dress over here, you can see shoes over here, sun over here. Likewise, visual discrimination activity. Then again maze, then draw and color, join the dots and color. Then find the differences. So Sarvam has found differences. You can see a slight pencil mark is there, not visible so much, but yes, he has solved. Then a little bit of tracing, coloring, matching, shadow matching, counting. Then over here find the same order of the square, like similar to this order where it is there, you have to find. Then over here match which kite will refer to which boat, how many triangles are there, how many circles are there, all that. Join the dots, find the maze, find the differences. See, finding the difference is a good visual discrimination activity and it is very important. It acts as a brain booster for children. Okay, yeah, so it's a pretty good book. You can try this. For 3-year-old it is a good book. Now next is this Dreamland Kids First Activity book, IQ. So again it says for 3+. I'm gonna put link of this also in the description box, so do check it out. I'm gonna show what is inside this. So as you can see, tick and color the same object on the both sides of the line. So where is the same object, just see and tick it. Okay, next is over here you have to say the color, which color sun belongs to, which color banana belongs to, likewise, and you have to color accordingly. Okay, so over here rather than giving him crayon, I just gave him paint to color, so that becomes interesting. Then make same mirror magic patterns. Okay, that means one side is given and one side you have to make and a tracing line, some like little bit of tracing line is given, so that child learns how to form symmetry image. So this is a symmetry, right? One side is given and another side you have to make, so this is a symmetry. So on this page they have asked us to recognize which one is smooth, rough, soft and hard. So child has to find it out, like this is rough, this is hard, this is soft, this is smooth. You have to match it with what is suitable to that particular object. Shapes, you have to find how many shapes, how many rectangles, circles, squares and triangles, and then you have to write it over here. This much we have written, this much is pending. Which one is going to the left, you have to find. Left, right direction concept get clear over here. Again match it with the correct pair. Small mazes they have given for a 3-year-old to solve. Then I enjoy doing what? You enjoy doing studying, watching TV, cycling, all that, so you have to take. Beachside, so this is a beachside scenario where find them and color them. You have to find balloons. They have said that there are total 9 balloons. Find 9 balloons and color them. So likewise he has colored. A memory time, this I've shown in one of my Instagram story. Over here what you have to do, you have to like how we used to play in our childhood, you have to show these objects and then let him watch it for some time, and then close the book and ask which all things do you remember. So child will say pencil, pear, mug, like that. Then you have again come back, then see which all are correct and which all are not. So this is a good memory game. Likewise they've given an idea that you can do it at home also, such kind of memory games. I have posted an Instagram post related to such memory game, so do check it out. I'll put that link in the description box for the memory game that I have done with Sarvam. Then take the squares under those which are made of cloth, so you have to take that. Then big and small concept, find look at the picture carefully. There are 5 animals hidden in it, name them. Here you have to find that in this particular animal which all animals are included. Over here, from here this is tiger, from here this is giraffe, from here this is elephant, from the tail it is a different, from here it is hump, from this hump it looks like a camel. So yes, likewise. Then match the kites, correct color matching activity this is, and test your IQ. Now take objects that are made of wood. Okay, take objects that are made of plastic, draw missing parts. So all this is pending from our side till now. Coloring is pending, little bit of activities are pending from our side over here. Find the correct like the maze activity, and again color it. Over here we have used crayon, over here we have used paint. So likewise, even this is a very good IQ related book that we have solved, because there are certain things that we forget to teach our child, and through these books we come to know, okay, yes, we can do this also. Okay, so next book is Dreamland Brilliant Brain Activity book. It says 4+. Okay, and it is for 250 rupees. Maybe online it is available for less amount. Dreamland Publication. So in this book you will see that very simple activities are given. They say 4+, but it can be started at 3.5 or 3 years. Which of these live in water? So it's easy to find. For 3-year-old it is possible to do. Which one is a lowercase of Q? this is a tricky one because usually kids get confused between DB and QP. Cross the right number with the open finger. A lot of activities over here, color coding activities given. Here they've given very small space to color, okay, which is not possible for a 3-year-old, 3.5-year-old. Even for a 4-year-old, with a pencil color it is possible, not with a crayon. So whenever you do such fine lines and little bit of space activity, always give color pencils. Otherwise with crayons they go out of the line and looks very dirty. Then circle the flower from here. So there are a lot of activities that are very simple also. So your objective is not always to do like a tricky concept. Sometimes what happens, you solve certain things and child knows how to do. You don't have to feel that, okay, I've invested in this book and he knows everything. It's not like that. It builds their confidence even if they know certain things. For example, now this is very easy. Circle which one gives us light. Of course pizza doesn't give us light, this sun gives us light. So it is easy for child, but doing such kind of activities, child develops self-confidence. Yes, I know certain things, I know how to solve. Out of the 10 things which is presented, if child knows 3 things, it's good. It is a good signal. It will develop your child's sitting ability and he will take more interest. Okay, I know certain things. Whenever you present certain things where child finds it very tricky and it's very difficult, so they don't take much interest then, and their confidence level also goes down because they think that, okay, I don't know certain things, I don't want to do. They think like that. Over here they have told color the shape made with straight lines. Now everyone knows straight line is this, standing line, sleeping line are straight lines. Even child knows. So it becomes very easy for children to do such activity. Their enthusiasm level increases and they say, okay, I know this, let's color it fast, I know this. So you should always present a mix of what they know and what they should learn next, so that they take more and more interest. There are very good activities in this book. I would really recommend this book to you. There are many activities that even which is pending from our side, because we moved to reading and writing a little bit, we left the book, but I know I need to complete this book also. So next is color the triangle that is brown in color. Like solve this maze, take the picture that shows how the sun makes you feel, cold or hot. The weather, like learning about the weather is also included in this book. Regarding community helpers, count the legs and write it over here. So a little bit of counting, little bit of alphabet related activities are there. So yeah, this is a pretty good book and all the answers are given at the back, so you don't need to worry about you knowing things. It's okay even if you don't know certain things. Everything is mentioned over here. I think this is a really good book. And so these are the books related to brain related and IQ related activities that we engaged in. So solving such books improves their general knowledge, logical reasonings, visual discrimination skills, and the practical things that they understand about how our environment operates. So I hope that this video was helpful to you all, and so such activity related books video was helpful to you all. Hope to see you next time. Subscribe to my channel guys if you have not. Thank you so much for watching. Happy parenting guys.